When you're doing push-ups, it is better to start with ease, an easier version, than trying to muscle fuck your way through bad form. A couple of really easy ways to scale push-ups: do them on an elevated surface. This way we're going to be practicing that plank position. So here's our plank position. Ideally, we're doing them on the floor. The other thing I see it commonly is this, or people are like this. We're not in a down dog, we're doing a plank. So we're gonna squeeze our ass, pull our pelvis forward. Another easy trick, having your hands beside your body versus way out to the side or elbows flaring. This is gonna put our shoulder in a not ideal position. So having it next to our body or at about 45 degrees. The other thing you can do is create a little bit of tension by slightly turning your hands. The other thing is people try to drop through their hands. Try slightly moving your weight forward, and then this is actually going to put our shoulders in a more optimal position, because that's the number one complaint I hear with push-ups is it hurts my shoulders. Another common fault I see is when people only move from the top of their body. We want to be in a moving plank. We want to make sure that we're getting our chest to the floor and we're getting that full range of motion. Don't be a cheater.